bro, man, bro. Like sometimes, man, sometimes, man. This shit, yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely had some motherfucking pitfalls for sure. But yo, Sean, do you know how embarrassing that was? And I'm sitting here gotta explain. And I'm like, and what? Here's what's petty. Here's what's petty, Sean. Here's what's petty. Matt gone. He left. Like, it wasn't like he listen. It wasn't like he was waiting on me at the stair. Like it wasn't like he looked back to see what was going on. I looked up. He was already up the stairs. Not making sure that hey, don't forget that's the videographer. He with me. He upstairs already, bro. So I'm sitting here trying to explain, like, you know me. Sean, do you know how embarrassing that was, bro? No, that shit funny. Like that shit is funny. Motherfucker gone, bro. He gone. I'm like, dog, don't leave me, man. Like these, like you already see these people ain't really fucking with me like that. Like these yo people, you know what I'm saying? Like they Matt. Damn. Jesus Christ, man. Let me hear about this. This nigga had called me. I wanted to finish telling you the story, but I want to see what she wanted.